770am.com, welcoming you to another week of Bollywood Roundup. As you know, every Friday we bring you this segment. It's right here at the website where you can catch the top Bollywood stories of the week with me and our Bollywood correspondent in Mumbai, Abhishek Datta, who joins us via Skype. So let's find out what this week's top stories are from Abhishek. Abhishek, so what's happening out there in Mumbai this week?
श्रेया जी, everything is good. You tell me कि what's happening there, क्या चल रहा है?
यहाँ जो चल रहा है वो बड़ी खबर है, क्योंकि वो कुछ ऐसी खबर है जो आप पिछले कुछ हफ्तों से बोस्ट कर करके हमें बता रहे थे. मुंबई के रेन्स जो हैं. So here in California, you know the situation as we have been telling you. It is pretty bad when it comes to the rain and the weather and the drought and all. But this week, 2 days in a row, we had a smattering of rain. So it was just about sprinkles. So not as great as the rains in Mumbai, but at least it was something. So I have something news for you.
Well, Shrija, you could call it a little bit of rain drizzling out there. Well, similarly in Bollywood, we see a lot of Bollywood stars who are trying to drizzle into television. Well, the big news is that Shah Rukh Khan is coming on Colors TV and he's going to be hosting a show. It's like he's come back into the small screen and Shah Rukh is going to be hosting a show called Got Talent. That's going to be a one-day event that you guys must have experienced in the West out there, and it's coming to India along with Simon Cowell. He's the producer and the mastermind behind the show. He's going to come down to Mumbai and hopefully we'll get to see a glimpse of Simon Cowell also commenting the way he does out there in the international television. Well, the best part is that Shah Rukh Khan is going to be hosting, and it's going to be a one-day event which is going to be streamed live on Colors TV for approximately 2 to 3 hours. And not just India, people in the other countries can also witness this massive event that will see the best of the talent from all over the world come together in just one stage and show their skills to the audiences out here. Moving on, we have another new channel that is being launched by Sony Television, and it's called Sony Pal. And we have the brand ambassador, Juhi Chawla of the channel, and she's been promoting the channel everywhere. Well, we had the press conference today and Juhi looked absolutely gorgeous in a red colored salwar kameez. She looks beautiful anytime she comes across. Now, the highlight about the shows is that they have approximately 7 fiction shows and 2 reality shows, out of which one is a talk show that is going to be hosted by Raveena Tandon. Now, I think it's going to be the first time that we're going to see Raveena Tandon, the second time that we're going to see Raveena Tandon on the small screen, and it's again a talk show wherein she's going to be chatting to a lot of women about their success, about how housewives lead their family lives and all of it. So it's going to be a very family-oriented, women-oriented show, and it's going to be a talk show that is going to be hosted by Raveena Tandon. Moreover, this week is quite the wow week because we've got entertainment coming out.
Yes.
Akshay Kumar is all set to rock the big screen. Well, the songs are doing pretty okay. I don't know if the songs are doing really well out there, but in India, the songs from the film Entertainment are doing pretty okay. And to tell you the highlight of the film is as a promotional event, Akshay Kumar actually walked the ramp along with the cast of the film in the capital city Delhi, and he walked the ramp with some dogs. So that was a really cool picture moment that we got out here. It was a fun event, and Akshay always expresses love for the animals out there. And the last thing that I could tell you is the import that we have in India from called Nargis Fakhri, who we last saw in the song called Tenu Pyar Na Mile Te Mar Jawa. Well, yes, it's the same song. It's called The Devil Song that also featured Salman Khan from his movie Kick. Nargis Fakhri did a cameo in the song, and we had an event with her wherein she was there to announce the new line of bedsheets from one of the leading companies. So Nargis was seen, and she also gave us a idea, like Salman Khan really appreciated Nargis's work, and she was really happy that someone like Salman Khan is happy with the way she has performed, and she's happy because she's done her job well. Well, as far as Nargis is concerned, she also said that she prefers to have her bedroom done up in a very sensuous way, and that is what she has done. And as far as her house is concerned, well, the living room is painted yellow, so that could be some tip for the fans of Nargis Fakhri out there. If they really want to have a jolly mood like Nargis Fakhri, well, go ahead, paint your wall yellow, and you could be as happy as that.
Woo her with yellow. So interesting stories as Shah Rukh Khan and Simon Cowell coming together. Juhi Chawla launching that Sony channel. Ravina Tandon also going to be seen on TV, and we are hearing about Nargis Fakri and Akshay Kumar. Yes, it's entertainment. I know the Johnny song is playing these days, and also Tera Naam Do. So that's another nice song. I prefer Tera Naam Do, though. That's the more melodious one. I like that more.
Rita, because I don't think whenever you're in the studio, you would of course be तुमने पी नहीं है, तुमने पी नहीं है, Peter ने पिला दी है, तुमको पिला.
Don't want to get myself into trouble. That's true. That's exactly why I don't play that song. Okay, thank you, Abhishek. So you enjoy your week ahead in Mumbai, and we will see you back here next week, and we'll check up on next week's top Bollywood stories of the week.
Sure, guys, take care and have a good weekend out there.
That was Abhishek Datta, our Bollywood correspondent, joining us from Mumbai via Skype and sharing with us this week's top stories, top Bollywood stories from Mumbai. Thank you, everyone, for watching. This is me, Shrija, signing off at desi1170am.com. If you'd like to be a part of this segment, send an email to nate@klok1170am.com, or you can message me on Facebook at facebook.com/Desi Superdrive. Take care.